China has recently completed a 46-year-long desertification control campaign by finishing a 3,000-kilometer green belt surrounding the Taklamakan Desert, the largest desert in China and the second largest desert in the world. This campaign, also known as the Green Great Wall, was initiated in 1978 under the name Northern Three Regions Protective Forest Belt. The primary goal of this campaign was to reduce desertification and prevent the frequent sandstorms that have ravaged many areas of China. The Taklamakan Desert, with an area of approximately 337,000 square kilometers, is known for its vast sand dunes and extreme climatic conditions. Summer temperatures can soar up to 50 degrees Celsius, while winter temperatures drop drastically, making life in the area incredibly challenging. The Green Belt is part of China's environmental protection efforts aimed at controlling desertification and safeguarding land resources. These trees not only help reduce sandstorms but also prevent soil erosion and contribute to creating a thriving green ecosystem. The Green Belt project involves planting millions of drought-resistant trees, mainly species such as pine, maple, and ferns, along with other plants that can thrive in the harsh desert conditions. This green belt stretches about 3,000 kilometers, encircling the Taklamakan Desert, from the Xinjiang province in the northwest of China to Inner Mongolia and other regions. To protect the trees and ensure the survival of the new ecosystem, measures such as smart irrigation systems, efficient water management, and soil covering techniques to retain moisture and prevent soil erosion have been implemented. After nearly 5 decades, the results of the project are quite apparent. The Green Belt has not only helped limit the expansion of the Taklamakan Desert but also restored parts of land previously desertified, protecting vital agricultural areas and settlements from sandstorms. Areas such as Xinjiang, Gansu, and Ningxia have been shielded by the Green Belt, which acts as a natural barrier. The project has also contributed to rebuilding natural ecosystems, increasing biodiversity, and improving air and water quality. These trees not only help purify the air but also reduce pollution, maintain groundwater levels, and improve soil conditions. However, the project still faces significant challenges. Water scarcity is one of the main issues, as desert areas like Taklamakan receive very little rainfall, making it difficult to sustain the plants in prolonged drought conditions. Climate change has also exacerbated droughts and intensified sandstorms, further complicating the task of maintaining and expanding the green forests. Moreover, the cost of maintaining and extending this green belt is substantial, and attracting sufficient resources for similar projects in other regions remains a considerable challenge. Nevertheless, China is continuing to expand this model to other regions such as Northeast China, Inner Mongolia, and the Northwest. Projects like the China Green Forest System are also being implemented to maintain and protect these forests. The Chinese government is also conducting ongoing research to improve the effectiveness of the Green Belt, including the use of biotechnology to enhance the vitality of the trees and develop more sustainable ecosystems.